Installing a spring tension rod. Step-by-step instructions. What you need. You should have at least 4 pieces. A rod that is separated into 2 pieces, a spring, a screw that has a part it tightens into, and a washer. It may come in pieces or all together. Step 1. Insert one rod into the other without the other hardware. Put the left side inside the window where the rod will hang, but keep the right side a little longer than the window opening. Be sure to make a mark with a washable marker on the rod to where the second part should stop when it is inserted. Step 2. Slide the screw into the left rod. The washer should glide on the surface of the track. Step 3. Place the washer to where you want the second rod to stop. Tighten it until it won't move from side to side. Step 4. Slide the spring into the rod and have it go down to the screw. Step 5. Slide the second rod into the first rod and have it go down to the spring. Step 6. If you have curtains that have sewn-on loops instead of snap-on, put your curtains on the rod. Then place the left side of the rod, decorative side facing outward into the room, inside the window where you want it positioned. Step 7. Press into the spring of the tension rod and slide the right side of the rod into place.